What's the difference between an amateur video and professional production? It's not the camera or budget, it's the editing. With CapCut, the gap has never been smaller. This platform gives you access to tools used by professionals without complexity or cost. From the moment you import footage, CapCut's algorithms enhance your content. Color correction that normally takes hours is done automatically. Audio levels are balanced, and transitions flow smoothly. But here's what really sets it apart: creative freedom. You're not locked into templates. CapCut adapts to your style, whether you prefer quick edits or cinematic pieces. Text animation tools let you add dynamic titles, while the music library ensures you'll find the perfect soundtrack. For social media marketers, the ability to resize videos for different platforms with one click is a game changer. No more creating separate edits. CapCut handles it all. With cloud storage integration, projects are always accessible. This is your chance to get professional capabilities at a fraction of the cost. Check out the link and coupon code in the description and comments. Like this video and subscribe.